moving from family farming to agripreneurship through bean business platforms. Most farmers in sub-Saharan Africa grow beans as a subsistence crop. With climate change, health and economic crises, food demand and supply are disrupted, leading to rising prices. Thus, farmers, especially women, barely get enough to eat nor sell. Researchers from the Pan-African Bean Research Alliance and public-private partners visited men and women bean farmers to understand their needs and work with them to shift from subsistence to commercial farming. Thus, a participatory stakeholder workshop was organized with all actors in the bean value chain to understand their needs and challenges and how to work around them. Using the bean business platform approach, all value chain actors, farmers, inputs dealers, off-takers, credit institutions, service providers, processors, traders, etc. were brought together to discuss their needs and what roles they could perform to make the value chain more efficient. Farmers requested beans, which is micronutrient rich, has iron and zinc, is early maturing, high yielding and stress tolerant. They also requested agronomic training to better manage their farms, credit to invest in new technologies and linkages with the market to sell at a premium price. Aggregators agreed to reduce transport costs for farmers by providing warehouses and also collectively buying their products at a premium price. Input dealers agreed to provide fertilizers, seeds and other inputs during farm demonstrations and provide farmers with a one-stop shop in the community. Processors requested to be linked to farmers willing to sell their beans to them to process and resell as bean-based snacks and quick-to-cook nutritious bean products. Financial institutions indicated they would provide all value chain actors with information on how they could access loans. The creation of bean business platforms in the last 7 years has resulted in an increase of small entrepreneurs from 52 to 277, with 69 women. Women have gained leadership positions from 30 to 42%. Farmers accessing climate-smart varieties increased from 1 to 37 billion. Volumes of beans traded increased from 1.9 million tons to 6.4 million tons. This approach has led to better incomes, food security and gender equality across the value chain in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, Zambia, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Eswatini, Mozambique, Lesotho, Cameroon, Central African Republic, and Madagascar.